What's up, YouTube? This your girl Christina's here. I'm here, you there. I'm back with another video, y'all. I'm back with another video. So today, y'all, before I get started, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, look at my previous videos, y'all. Get me up there, y'all. Let's go. Subscribe. But anyway, y'all, I'm here today to show y'all something simple, easy recipe, okay? So all you would need is some sausage. You can use hot dogs if you want, but I got Polish sausages. I got my cheese. And what you're gonna need in a bowl, you need a bowl, you're gonna need some butter in a bowl, y'all. I need a better bowl than that, not that bowl. Alright, so we got the butter. I'm gonna put the butter in a bowl, and then I'm gonna put some garlic, some parsley in it. Like that. Put this in the microwave and let it melt. We're gonna let it melt. Hey, we're gonna let it melt. Okay, y'all, and I got this. Bam! So here you go, right here. I'm gonna open this up. Smell good, y'all. Y'all see? I'm gonna cut this in half. Make sure it fit the bun. Right. That inside there. Just like that. Y'all need to make sure y'all have y'all oven on. We're gonna make some good chili cheese dogs, but they're gonna be Polish sausages instead of dogs. Okay. Scoot all that up. I'm gonna open that one up. Grab this one out, and I'm just cutting it, y'all, to make it fit on the bun. That's all I'm doing. Okay, this one I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. Okay. Alright, y'all. So make sure you get your bun so they can see your bun. Okay. Alright, see your bun. And we're gonna do that, y'all. And then that's how it look. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the butter. Give me the butter, y'all. Let me get the butter, Bubba. Okay, y'all, the butter is ready. For real, it's ready. So, yeah. Butter. Okay, I don't know what happened to my thing, so I'm just gonna improvise right now. So, y'all ain't got no thing. I don't know what happened to it, so. I don't know, the kids have to mess with it or something, because I can't find it. But anyway, we got this, y'all. Then we're just gonna try our best to put it on the bun. Like, just put it on the bun, whatever you want to do. This is an easy recipe at home, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I didn't really need that much, but there you go. Garlic on everything. Then what I'll do is we're gonna put this in the oven for like just 5 minutes so the bread won't be soggy, okay? So I'll be back when alright, y'all. So I just got it out the oven. It's a little hard. That's what you want. You want it to be a little hard, okay? And now we're going to put these down the line just a little bit. Okay. And then what we're going to do is in it, y'all. Put some cheese up in the not a whole lot, y'all, just a little bit. Cause you're still putting some on top too. Okay, after that, we'll get this chili. Alright, I'm gonna warm up the chili first because it don't look right. It look all dried up. So I'm gonna warm up the chili right quick. I was trying to get the ones with the beans, y'all, but they ain't have it. Okay, the regular one. Got that on a little bit, and we got that. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, now is I'm put the chili on top, cheese on top, put it back in the oven, and then like 5 minutes it'll be ready to go. And that be it. That is all it's going to be. Alright, y'all, so I got the chili now, and now I'm finna put the chili in there. Cheese on top, y'all. I'm gonna chop a little bit of onions for myself, y'all, because I want me a little onions on mine. But that's it. That is it. I'm put this in the oven for at least until the cheese get melted, and then it'll be ready to go. That's it. I'll be back. All right, y'all. This is exactly how it came out when it was finished. Here we go. So try this recipe at home. It's real good. You can season it or you can do whatever. Me, I'm finna put a little onions on mine. They don't like onions, so I'm just gonna put onions on mine. And yeah, y'all, we is gonna be ready in this piece. Okay. So I'm finna try to grab me one. They don't like onion, y'all, so I think I chopped too many onions up. But I do. I want onion, but I don't like that many onions on my stuff. But all right. Let's see how this works, y'all. How it get out. Yeah. Huh? For what?
You said he wants to spend time with us.
Y'all gotta go to school.
We know that.
All right, y'all. There you go. I'm gonna put some onion on mine. Y'all not hungry?
We is.
I'm hungry.
Well, y'all better come on and eat before your daddy get here to get y'all. Huh? There you go, y'all. 5. Subscribe to my channel. Look at my previous videos, y'all. Like this video. Comment down below. You know, comment, y'all. Do everything you need to do for my channel, okay? But this is gonna be fire, y'all. Watch. y'all. Have a great, beautiful day. Bye.